August 24th, 2019. Just doing another close-up shot here of the Japanese knotweed. Just want to share how many pollinators are in this bush. It's literally swarming with pollinators. A tremendous amount of honeybees, but there's every other kind of wild pollinator in here. Little ones, big ones, bee flies that I didn't even know existed. Frederick Dunn had those on his channel, on his video he released yesterday. Look just like a bee, but they're actually a fly disguised as a bee. Those are interesting. All sorts of other stuff here that look like wasps and bumblebees and mason bees and even flies. There's another bumbler there. So if you have Japanese knotweed in your area, it probably flowers around a similar time here. I'm in New York State, about 90 miles north of New York City at 42 latitude. And it always flowers about this time of year, and it is always loaded with pollinators. So might be a good opportunity for you to check out pollinators if that's something that interests you. Anyway, I always find it interesting. I can't walk by this bush without stopping and observing for a bit. Hope you found this interesting. If you have comments or questions, please do so down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if that's your thing.